بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. My dear student, greeting to you all. Today, inshallah, we will continue taking our English language lessons. My name is teacher Ines Al-Hdathi. So these are the lessons for the second year. Have your books ready at page 22-23 because we will continue our unit. The name of the unit is called My School. My School, this is lesson number 2. We will continue this unit. So have your books ready and have some notebooks and some pencils in case you want to take some notes. So let's start. Bismillah. Let's start by revising what we have learned in the previous lesson, my dear student. In the previous lesson, we introduced 5 more numbers. We will revise them in a minute or two. Also, we were able to name things in my classroom, or perhaps things in my bag, like I have a window, I have a board, I have a table, I have a desk. Also, we were able to name things inside my bag. So, by the end of the lesson, inshallah, you are all expected to name more items or more things inside the classroom. Also, we will differentiate between singular and plural. What do we mean by that? So, I have 1 student, or maybe I have 4 students, okay? Also, we will be doing several exercises, different kind of exercises. So let's start. This is the cover of your book. Make sure that you have the hard copy or at least have an electronic copy of your book. This is the cover of Unit 2. As you can see, we have a barcode at the top left corner. You can scan the barcode in case you want to download further information for this unit. In this unit, inshallah, we will write and also we will read together. This is the name of the unit. It's called My School. My School. So in the previous lesson, we were able to name things in my school, or things in my bag, or things that are inside my classroom, okay? So this place is called My School. My School, My School. How about this picture, my dear student? It's a room that you can find inside each and every school. What is it? It is my classroom. It is my classroom. Very good. So this is my classroom. In the previous lesson, that was in page 21, we were able to name several things inside my classroom. Also, we took numbers. Let's go ahead and revise these numbers and have some exercises to check your understanding. So, I need you now with me to try to read the numbers. Okay, starting number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's read it one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So these are numbers starting from number 1 till number 10. Also, we added 5 more numbers. Okay, let's read them together. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's read them one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So now, let's read the numbers starting from number 1 to number 15 together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, my dear student. Now, let's have some exercises. So as you can see here, I have all the numbers, but they are not in the correct order, right? They are not in the correct order. Now I need your help. Try to put them in the correct order. As you can see, I have 13, 15, 12, 14, and 11. As you can see, I have the numbers and I have the words. Help me out. Try to put them in order or rearrange the numbers. Okay? So we will start with which number we are going to start with? Very good. We are starting with number 11. 11. Very good. So we have number 11. After that, what do you think? 11, 11, 12, very good. I have number 12. Excellent, excellent. So 11, 12. After 12, what do I have? What comes next? 11, 12. Very good. I have number 13. 13. Excellent, excellent. So I have 11, 12, 13. Very good, very good. What comes next? What's the number after 13? I have number 14. Very good. I have number 14. 14. And next, what do I have? I have number 15. Very good. 15. So after we've arranged the numbers, let's read them one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. One more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Very good, very good. So these are the numbers. Now, what I need you to do now is count and write. So I will give you time, enough time to go ahead and count. How many squares do we have here? Do I have 1, 2, 10, 12, 13? Go ahead, I'll give you a minute, count the squares and then give me the number. How many squares do we have? Go ahead and count. I will give you time. So, what is the number here? How many squares did you count? How many? Very good. 14 squares. Let's make sure and count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 squares. Very good. I have 14 squares. Very good. Let's go to the triangles below. How many triangles do we have? How many? I will give you less than 20 seconds. Go ahead and count. So how many triangles? How many can you count? We can count 12 triangles. Very good. We have 12 triangles. Let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Very good, my dear student. Let's go to the next exercise. Now, I need you to count how many heart shapes have we got here. How many heart shapes have we got? Go ahead and count. I'll give you time. So how many heart shapes? How many heart shapes can you see? For me, I can see 15 heart shapes. Very good, 15. So let's go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Very good. So I have 15. Now, last but not least, how many circles can you see? How many circles can you see? I will give you about 15 seconds to find out. Try to count and tell me how many circles can you see? 13, that's correct. I can see 13. I can count 13 circles. Very good. 13 circles. Very good. So we revise the numbers. Now it's time to revise items in my class. Now I need your help. You can see pictures and below I can see the words. Let's go ahead and match the name with the picture. Let's read the names first. I have a pencil, a ruler, a pen, a pencil case, and a book. Let's start with the first picture. What is it? It is A ruler, very good. It is a white ruler. Very good, very good. How about the next item? What is it? It is a pencil. Very good. It is a pencil. Very good, very good. Let's move to the next item. What have we got? I have a book. Very good, a book. Now I have two items with two words. As you can see, I have a pen and a pencil case. This is a pen, very good, and I have a pencil case, very good. So let's go ahead and read the words one more time. I have a pencil, a ruler, a pen, a pencil case, and a book. Very good. So we have all these items inside or in my bag. Now, let's go ahead and name some items that we can find in my classroom, inside the classroom, like this. What is that? What is it, my dear student? It is a board. Very good, a board. A board. One more time, a board. One last time, a board. Very good, very good. How about him? Who is he? He is a teacher. Very good. He is a teacher. A teacher. One more time, a teacher. One last time, a teacher. Very good. Next, I have, also we can find this in my classroom. It is a desk. A desk. One more time, a desk. One last time, a desk. Now let me ask you this question. How many desks can you see here? How many? Do I have 1, 2, 3? Very good. I just have one. I have a desk. Okay? Now, how about this? Who can you see here? Is he a teacher? He's not a teacher. He is a student. A student. One more time, a student. One last time, a student. How many students can you see here? How many students can you see? For me, I can see one student. A student. Okay? Now, what about this item? What is it? It is a chair. A chair. One more time. A chair. One last time. A chair. Very good. How many chairs can you see? I can see one chair. Okay? So let's go ahead. Now you will understand why am I keep asking how many in my classroom. Also, we will introduce more items. I have, what is it? It is a door. A door. One more time. A door. One last time. A door. Very good. Also, we can see this in my classroom. So I have a door. How many doors can you see? How many doors? One door. A door. Very good. What about this? What is it? What is it, my dear student? It is a window. A window. One more time. A window. One last time. A window. Very good, very good. How about this? What is it? It is a book. A book. One more time. A book. One last time. A book. How many books can you see? For me, I can see just one book. A book. Okay? Now, how about this? What is it? Remember, you can find all these words at page 21. This is a computer. A computer. One more time. A computer. One last time. A computer. Very good. Okay. Now, this is the question that I kept asking. How many? How many books? How many students? How many boards? How many chairs? And so on. So, as I mentioned earlier in this lesson, we will talk about singular and plural. How? By asking the question, how many? Now, for the singular and plural, as you can see here, I have two pictures of two items. I have an apple, one apple, and I have two apples. Okay? Let me say it one more time. How many apples? An apple, two apples. Now, let me give you this for a further explanation. As you can see, at the top left corner, I can see an apple. So it's a singular, an apple. How many apples can you see? One, an apple. But below, how many apples can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can see 5 apples. I can see 5 apples. So what's the difference between an apple or apples? I have the letter S, which proves that here I have a plural, more than one. Perhaps it could be 2 or more. How about the carrot? How many carrots can you see? At the top right corner, I can see a carrot. Just one, right? So it's a carrot. But below, how many carrots can you see? I can see 2 carrots. 2 carrots. So I have S for a plural. Okay, so let me say it one more time. We will talk about singular and plural. Singular, how many? I have 1. An apple, a book, a bag, a student, a teacher. But for plural, I have apples, books, bags, teachers, desks, chairs, and so on. As in this example, for example, I have an apple, 5 apples, a carrot, 2 carrots, and so on. So let's go ahead and let's have more examples and more explanations. As you can see, let's choose now. I have 3 pictures with 2 options for each picture. Let's start with the first one. It's either a book or books. What do you think? A book or books? What do you think, my dear student? Is it singular, a book, or plural, books? What do you think? The answer is books. Very good. Let's go ahead. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 books. 9 books. Very good. How about the picture in the middle? How many apples can you see? I can see 1 apple. So is it a apple or an apple? The answer is, because it starts with a vowel, I will go with an apple. Very good. An apple. How about the last picture? As you can see, how many girls can you see? How many girls? So the answer, girls or a girl? Singular or plural? I just have 1 girl. I have a girl. Very good, very good. So let's go ahead, try to revise. We are discussing singular, 1, or plural, more than 1. Apple, apples. Girl, girls. Student, students, and so on. Let's have more examples. As you can see here, we need to write the answer. How many chairs can you see? How many? For the top left, I can see a chair, singular. Okay, but right next to it, how many chairs can you see? I can see 1, 2, 3. I can see 3 chairs. 3 chairs, plural. So the difference between the first one and the second one, here I have a chair. Here I have chairs with S. Okay, let's go to the next one. How many keys can you see? How many keys can you see? A key, just 1. A key, very good, singular. How many keys can you see here? How many keys can you see? 1, 2, 3. I can see, or I can count 3 keys. Keys. It ends with an S because it's a plural. Let's go to the next one. How many trees can you see? How many trees? A tree. Very good. Singular. A tree. How many trees can you see? 1, 2, 2 trees. Also ends in an S. So here to your left, I have singular items. To your right, I have plural items, more than 1. Now, let me talk about the items that we have in my classroom. Again, you will find this at page 22. To your left, what is it? Or sorry, how many doors can you see? I can see a door, one door, a door. But how many doors can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 doors. I can see, or I can count 8 doors. It's ending in S because it's a plural. So again, I have a door, I have 8 doors. Very good. Let's take another example. How many books can you see here? How many books can you see? I can see a book, one, just one book, right? And for the right picture, 1, 2, 3, I can see, or I can count 4 books. 4 books. Very good. So let's read one more time. A book, 4 books. A book, 4 books. Very good. How about this item? How many clocks can you see? How many clocks can you see? To your left, I only can see a clock. Just one. A clock. But how about the next picture, or the right next to it? How many clocks can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count 4 clocks. 4 clocks. Very good. So I have singular, a clock, plural, 4 clocks. Very good. So let's read one more time. A clock, a clock, 4 clocks, 4 clocks. Very good, very good. Let's move to the next one. Now, how many students can you see? How many students can you see? To your left, I can see a student. A student, just one, a student. But to your right, how many students can you see? How many? 1, 2, 3. I can count 3 students. 3 students. So I have singular, a student, plural, 3 students. 3 students. Very good. Let's go to the next one. Now, I highly encourage you to go ahead and open your books at page 23, and let's go ahead and read it. I will have it zoomed in a minute, but I need you to have your books ready, and we'll be focusing on the upper part first. For the upper part, look and say, these are the items that we introduced. All these items we can find in my classroom. Let's go ahead and read. I have a door, a window, a book, a clock, a computer. One more time. A door, a window, a book, a clock, and a computer. Notice that all the items here are singular, just one. One door, one window, one book, one clock, and one computer. Now let's move to the lower part. Now let's play a game together. As I've been telling you this over and over, go ahead and play this game with anyone right next to you by asking, show me. Okay, show me the computer. Now, where is the computer? So now I need you to go and point out the computer in your books. So where is the computer, my dear student? This is the computer. Very good. A computer. Now, I need you to show me the window. Where is the picture of a window? Where is the window? This is a window. Very good. Now show me the clock. Where is the clock? Very good. That is a clock. Very good. So go ahead and play this game with anyone right next to you. Let's go ahead and read the words one more time. I have a door, a window, a book, a clock, and a computer. Very good. Now, below you can find all these items that we discussed in this class. Let's go ahead and start. I have a door, singular, and right next to it I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 doors. 4 doors. So let's read. A door, a door. One more time. A door. One last time. A door. Very good. 4 doors. 4 doors. One more time, 4 doors. One last time, 4 doors. Very good, right? Below I have a desk. How many desks? I have 1. A desk. A desk. One more time, a desk. One last time, a desk. I have 7 desks. 7 desks. Go ahead and count. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 7 desks. Very good. I have a clock. A clock, singular. A clock. And I have 2 clocks. 2 clocks. One more time. 2 clocks. One last time. 2 clocks. Very good. I have a book. A book. I have 3 books. 3 books. Very good. Very good. Now, let's look and match together. To your left, I have the items. To your right, I have the words. Singular and I have plural. Let's start with the first one. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 what? 4 what? I have 4 books. Very good. I have 4 books. Below, I have, how many doors can you see? I can see a door, singular, a door. Very good. Now, I have 2 pictures with 2 words. I have 8 doors and a book. How many books? I have a book, singular. And for the last picture, I have 8 doors. I have 8 doors. Very good, very good. Now, say and write. Now, I need your help now to write the numbers. Are we talking about singular or plural? For the first one, how many pencils can you see? How many? I can see a pencil. I can see a pencil, singular, a pencil. Very good. Next, 1, 2, 3, 4. I can count 4 chairs. Chairs, plural. Very good. Right next to it, how many bags can you see? Or lunch bag? I can see a bag, singular. And next to it, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4. I can see or I can count 4 clocks. 4 clocks. Very good, very good. Now, let's try to revise what we've learned in this lesson, my dear student. In this lesson, we practice or we introduce more items in the class. Like what? Like a door, a computer, a window, a desk, a clock. Also, we differentiate between singular and plural. A book, 5 books. A teacher, 3 teachers, and so on. Also, we revise numbers, 11, 12, 13, and 14 and 15. So that was our lesson, my dear student. Until I see you next time, stay safe. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.